Hello kids, let's learn body parts. Tongue, say with me, tongue. Toe, say with me, toe. Stomach, say with me, stomach. Neck, say with me, neck. Leg, say with me, leg. Hand, say with me, hand. Forehead, say with me, forehead. Fingers, say with me, fingers. Elbow, say with me, elbow. Chin, say with me, chin. Thumb, say with me, thumb. Nose, say with me, nose. Mouth, say with me, mouth. Eyes, say with me, eyes. Hair, say with me, hair. Foot, say with me, foot.